put simple rivet on pipe and left many people intrigued. No sophisticated part, no expensive accessory, just metal detail well positioned and tightened at right point. Seems like something common, almost unimportant, but completely changes final result. It's type of adjustment that goes unnoticed for those looking quickly, but catches attention of those who understand. Simple, discreet, and straight to point. After you see done, you realize it wasn't matter of special tool, was matter of thinking differently and using what was already there.